PowerPoint is a great way to share all kinds of content: words, charts, audio, and more. Photos are a compelling way to tell a visual story on your slides. And thanks to PowerPoint, you can work with images right inside the app. Hi, I'm Andrew Childress from Envato Tuts Plus. I'm a presentation pro, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly work with images in PowerPoint. When you work with pictures in PowerPoint, you're sure to build a winning slide deck. The best way to get started is to choose a premium PowerPoint images template from Envato Elements. Elements is a creative powerhouse with an unbeatable offer: unlimited downloads. For a flat monthly rate, you can download and work with as many premium PPT templates as you want. Plus, Elements includes millions of other digital assets. You'll enjoy fonts, stock photos, and so much more, all included in the unlimited offer. These work well with your favorite photo PowerPoint templates. Subscribe to Envato Tuts Plus now for more videos just like this one. For this tutorial, we'll use the premium Mully Minimalist PowerPoint presentation from Envato Elements. I have it downloaded and opened in PowerPoint here. As I scroll through, you can see that it included dozens of custom slide layouts. When you think of using pictures in PowerPoint, keep a few rules in mind. Pictures are meant to transform boring slides into something special. Consider this one. It's empty and dull without an image. But with one added, it really comes to life. You can use pictures to tell stories visually. Choose images that complement your message. Remember not to clutter slides with too many images, and always be sure that you're using licensed photos. Saving photos online is easy, but you may not be allowed to use them in your slide decks. This is a good time to revisit the powerful Envato Elements offer. As a subscriber, you have unlimited access to millions of beautiful stock photos. Each of these is available for licensed use in your next slide deck. Back in the template here, let's get to work. On a blank slide, let's learn how to add pictures to PowerPoint. You really have two options. If you do have an online licensed image to use, you can paste it onto your slides. Find an image and right-click it, choosing Copy Image from the options. Jump back to PowerPoint and right-click in an open area. From the Paste options, choose Picture. You'll see the photo appear. You can also import images that you have saved on your computer. To get started, come up here to the Insert tab, found on PowerPoint's ribbon. In the Images group here on the left, click on the Pictures dropdown. Then, from the list of choices, pick this device. Browse to a stored image file, click it, and open it here. PowerPoint will import the photo, placing it onto your slide. It's that easy. With a photo imported, you can start editing it. Let's begin by resizing a photo. When you select an image by clicking, you'll see white circles on the corners. Pull on these as you're seeing me do here to resize the image. You can also click and drag on the image itself to move it around the slide. By default, PPT locks the aspect ratio of images. This way, you won't stretch or distort photos when you resize them. Should you want to change this, right-click on the photo and choose Size and Position. Over here on the right, a new sidebar will open. By unchecking this box, you can unlock the aspect ratio. Or you can specify a precise size for your photo by placing dimensions in these boxes up at the top. You can also tilt an image if you want. To do so, select it again, and then grab on this circular arrow at the top with your cursor. Pull or push to rotate the photo. PowerPoint offers additional ways to rotate photos. For example, you can rotate photos in 90-degree increments. Again, with the photo selected, come up to the Picture Format tab on the ribbon. Click it and open up the Rotate dropdown on the right. You'll see several options here: rotate left, rotate right, flip, and so forth. Choosing one, you'll see the image adjust to match. While on Picture Format, you can make other changes. For example, let's crop this image to show off only part of it. With an image selected, click Crop here. These black handles will appear in the corners of the photo. Pull on them and watch as the crop area stays in focus. The area you're deleting is grayed out. Make the adjustments to your crop as you're seeing me do here. Then click Crop again to lock in your changes. There are many other ways to work with pictures in PowerPoint. For example, you can remove the backgrounds from images. I really like to do that with logos, for example. And you can make style changes and corrections. Looking at the Corrections menu here on the Picture Format tab, note the many style changes that you can make quickly. Don't forget to explore the Color dropdown, where you can add fun and exciting hues and tones to your photos. As always, simply click on one of the thumbnails and watch your chosen edits apply to your photo. As you can see, it's amazingly easy to quickly work with pictures in PowerPoint. That's all thanks to premium templates from Envato Elements. Browse the vast library of templates and download your favorites today. Plus, don't forget to explore the collection of stunning stock images. It's the creative offer you can't afford to miss. Join today. Then get started working with images in PowerPoint. You can resize, crop, and edit photos in a flash. There's no need to use any other editing software. Simply import your photos and start editing using the Picture Format tab. Before you go, don't forget to like this video. Then subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There you'll find countless tutorials, courses, content collections, and so much more. It's the top creative resource in 2023, and you can start watching today. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks so much for joining me.